Welcome to our factory, Ningbo Shangkai Electric Appliance Company Limited, a combined manufacturing enterprise in Ningbo, Zhejiang, specializes in household appliances and accessories. Ningbo Shangkai Electric Appliance Company Limited boasts extensive production capabilities, with 2 SDA production lines and a daily output of 5,000 units. Our facility spans 7,000 square meters and employs a dedicated team of 105 professionals, including 3 R&D engineers. We pride ourselves on introducing new products swiftly, offering categorization services such as material replacement, label, packaging, color, size, logo, and graphic colorization. Our quality control is rigorous, with 5 inspectors ensuring every product meets the highest standards. Our experienced engineers and comprehensive quality assessment procedures guarantee superior products, with an annual production capacity of thousands of units. Ningbo Shangkai Electric Appliance Company Limited serves major clients worldwide. Our export markets include North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, Oceania, the Mideast, Eastern Asia, Western Europe, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, South Asia, and domestic market. We offer a 12-month warranty and external engineering services for our diverse range of products. Ningbo Shangkai Electric Appliance Company Limited is accredited with CE, CBGS, UKCA, LVD, EMC, and LFGB certificates, showcasing our commitment to quality and safety. We are looking forward to being your goods supplier or component source in China, leveraging our 10 years of industry experience, stringent quality control, and flexible production capabilities to deliver reliable products with timely delivery and technical support.